Hello everyone, in today's video we will study about a beautiful poem from NCERT Class 2 English Unit 1, and the poem is First Day at School by Elian Fisher. In this video I am going to tell you the summary of the poem, and after that we will recite the poem and learn and discuss some new words from the poem and grammar questions. Okay children, let's start the summary of the poem. The first day of school is a day of major anxiety for the kid. The kid is surrounded by a lot of questions: how he or she looks, whether she will make good friends there at school or not, how the teacher will be, etc. In this class 2 poem 2, First Day at School, the narrator of the poem is a kid who is wondering how his first day of school will be. He or she is thinking about whether or not his or her drawing will be as good as the others, whether or not they will like him or not. There are so many questions in the mind of the kid. The kid also wonders if the teacher's face will look like his or her mom or grandmother. Okay, he or she wants that the teacher will be like his or her grandmother or mom. In the final lines of the poem, the kid wonders if his or her dog will miss him at home or not. So, this is the summary of the poem. The title of the poem itself, First Day at School by Elian Fisher, tells us about much more about the poem itself, and all of us will feel that anxiety and excitement on our first days of school. So, are you ready children? Okay, will you recite the poem with me? Okay, let's start the recitation of the poem. Let's recite this poem, First Day at School.
I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares.
जो किड है वो ये सोच रहा है कि क्या जो मेरी ड्राइंग है जब मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा तो क्या वो उतनी ही अच्छी होगी जितनी की बाकी बच्चों की है, जितने की उनकी है.
And I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares.
और वो ये सोच रहा है कि वो जो बच्चे हैं जो मेरी क्लास में बाकी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको मैं पसंद आऊँगा, क्या वो मुझे पसंद करेंगे या वो बस मुझे घूरते रहेंगे. ओके.
I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or grand.
इसमें जो बच्चा है वो ये जानना चाहता है, वो ये सोच रहा है कि जो मेरी टीचर होगी वो कैसी होगी, किसके जैसी दिखाई देगी, क्या वो मेरी मॉम जैसी होगी, मम्मा जैसी होगी या फिर ग्रैंड जैसी होगी. ग्रैंड मीन्स ग्रैंड मदर, या वो मेरे ग्रैंड मदर जैसी दिखाई देगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.
I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am.
और जो वो बच्चा है वो ये भी जानना चाहता है कि जो उसका पपी है क्या वो ये सोचेगा कि मैं कहाँ चला गया हूँ. जब वो स्कूल चला जाएगा तो क्या वो ऐसे सोचेगा कि मैं कहाँ पर चला गया हूँ. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ आवर टुडेज पोएम, द फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल. ओके, हियर आर सम न्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ द पोएम. wonder, drawing, stairs, gran and puppy. Okay, so let's learn the meaning of these new words. Wonder, meaning to have a wish to know something. Next word is drawing, meaning making a picture with a pencil or pen. Next word is stairs, meaning to look at someone for a long time. Okay, children? Next new word is gran, meaning grandmother. Gran means grandmother. Next word is puppy, meaning a baby dog, a baby of dog. These are the new words of the poem. Let's move to the question answer part of the poem. So, first question is, what does the child in the poem think about his drawing? And answer is, the child wonders whether his drawing will be as good as the other children in the class. Next question is, what does the child wonder about his teacher? And answer is, the child wonders whether his teacher will look like mom or gran. Okay? Next question is, do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? And answer is yes, the child would like to carry his puppy to school. These are the question answers of the poem. Now let's discuss some grammar questions of the poem. And the question is, how many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? And one has been done for you. As you can see on the screen, children, there already written a word hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. So now what we will do, we make new words by using the letters from the word hippopotamus. And one is already done for you. P-O-T, pot. Now you tell me other words that you can make from the letters of the word in the picture hippopotamus. Yes, start. Tell me. Yes. T-O-P, top. Very good. Next. M-A-T, mat. One more word. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Okay. Next word. Correct. Sip. S-I-P, sip. One more word. Very good. Hut. H-U-T, hut. Okay. Many more words you can make from the letters of this word hippopotamus. So you try it yourself. Okay, children. Now next question is, circle what you can carry in your school bag. Now write the names of your things in the box below. Okay, now we will write the name of things which we can carry to in our school bag. Okay, children. Okay, let's start. Tell me. Yes. Ruler. Very good. Sharpener. Pen. Eraser. Very good. Water bottle. Ice cream? No. Books? Very good. And pencils? Pencil. One more. Pebbles? No. Tiffin. Tiffin box. These are the things which we can carry in our school bag. Okay, children. Now move to the next question. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. Okay, now you choose the correct word from the given box or given ribbon and then fill in the blanks. First picture. See the first picture. What is the child doing? Yes, eating breakfast. See next picture. What is the child doing? Yes, correct. Riding a bicycle. And last one, see the last picture. Yes. What is the child doing? He is going somewhere. Where is he going? He is going to school. Okay, now move to the next picture. Here. What are the children doing? Yes, they are sharing their tiffin, sharing with friends. Okay, correct. Now move to the next picture. What are all the children are doing in the classroom? Yes, studying in class. Very good, correct. And now this is the last picture. What is the child is doing? Yes, correct. He is returning from school. Returning. Here comes returning from school. Okay, children. It's all for today's video. In this video, today you studied the poem First Day at School, its new words, question answer part and grammar questions of the poem and the summary of the poem. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned so many new things. Okay, so it's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.